Hi, Scott. So just wanted to give you a quick review and testimonial about your conversational hypnosis masterclass. It was just mind-blowing. Obviously, I volunteered myself to be both a therapist and a client, and both times I was like, wow. And now I've practiced on a few people, and all of them were just like, what the hell have just happened? I had a massive breakthrough, and I don't know how, but I had it. So yeah, it's amazing. So good. And what's the best is to just, I don't really need to prepare anything for my sessions. Like previously I would be thinking, oh, when's the best time to have that session, because I need to prepare, how long I'm going to have to prepare, etc. And then I need to not be tired because I need to remember this, I need to remember that. And now it's just, I can literally give a session on the spot. So thank you so much. It was the best training I've had so far.